Morning, it is Sunday and it is officially Songkran Day.
It is.
So maybe later on we'll be heading back to Songkran, but this morning it's an early one.
Bright and early.
It is an early one because it's currently 7:54, nearly 8 in the morning, and we're heading to the national park Doi Inthanon, I think. And we're just
very
heading.
tired. We didn't sleep.
Very
great.
tired, yeah. Lovely hostel, but the sleep's just not great. But yeah, we're gonna head to the pickup point, which is about a 20-minute walk away, and then we will be making our way to the national park.
I'm excited.
So it's 9 hours, so it's a full day of just exploring the national park, and a guide will be taking us around. So it'll be a nice chill day.
We go to like the highest point in the mountain.
Yeah, highest point in
we go
Thailand,
to-
which is quite cool.
We see a tribe, don't we? It's called like the Karen tribe.
Yeah, we see a tribe.
And then we also see this thing called like this, like religious sort of temple called the Twin Pagodas.
Yeah, we see a few things.
So there's quite a lot we're seeing.
Quite a lot to do, quite a lot to see. I think it's about an hour and a half to get there, so cross now. Yeah, an hour and a half to get there, so shouldn't be too bad, but hopefully it'll be a good day. And next stop will be the meeting point for the national park. So we're just waiting for our guide now to pick us up. But yeah, I think Songkran is officially underway. The water fights aren't starting yet, but I think there's like parades and like rituals or something, or yeah, it's like starting a big parade and speakers and stuff. So yeah, it's definitely underway for this morning. And we are off. Next stop will be the national park. So our first stop at the national park.
Just had a nap.
Just had a nap on the bus. So tired, but yeah, we're at the Wachirathan waterfall. And apparently it's named after the king.
Yeah.
Who was he a prince before, or not too sure. Saying, but yeah, it's named after the king of Thailand. So very impressive.
That's amazing.
That's incredible, the amount of power and force that water's coming down. Reminds me a bit of Waterfalls when I went there, but on a massive scale. On a massive scale, but the sheer force at the bottom probably end up killing you, but that's mental. Absolutely gorgeous though.
Chicken or another, and going for coffee bean. Hello. Yeah, and this one electricity they use for the natural wind to flood or float in the house, and right now they got electricity already. Yeah, so when the baby or bamboo houses.
So the houses are bamboo, and this is like a tribe, tribe village, Karen tribe. Oh. And he's saying that the women can't leave the village in the tribe because the god of the forest the god of the forest won't protect her, so so interesting.
You love me. She gonna go to the forest, hunter of the Atti, and we looking for the costume first, just for the lady only, not married yet, can wearing for the wrong dress.
So when a lady likes someone in the village and wants to marry them, they go to the forest, so they basically like ask the god of the forest to like attract the man to them.
Yeah, I think that like the forest god. It's
yeah,
like
the forest god.
the
And
god
then
or
they
like
wear,
the person is
and
like
then
the forest.
they wear white. They have to wear white. I think it's like they have to wear white or they have to wear red during this part.
Process.
And then they can wear any colour around them, but during the like liking stage they have to wear white or red.
And I was just saying as well, like the women can't leave the village.
Yeah.
And
So
if
they will do like the crafts.
so it's very old-fashioned.
But yeah,
Cooking, cleaning.
they'll do the craft.
The man can leave the village, but obviously the woman can't. But wow, it's fascinating, really, isn't it? It's mental. Apparently it's an avocado bean. Just look at it here, it's mental, absolutely incredible. People like living here. Wow. Ah. This is a banana leaf.
And decorate the leaf of the banana same like that. They have to use for the leaf of banana made for the lotus shaped flower same like that. Big one like 1 week. 1 week to finish. And the small one just for 5 days only. And use the color maybe for 2 colors. When you're standing this side, you can see for the green, and if you're standing here, you can see for the blue color. Yeah, you have to decide. And you can try if you want.
What an absolute talent.
So that took 3 months to make.
So this took 3 months to make.
And this is what the women wear when
Before they get
looking
married.
for their boyfriend.
Yeah.
And that's what the men wear.
And that's what the men wear.
And then after this, then they can wear any colour. So they wear like something like this.
So before they get married, they wear that.
They'd wear this one.
Wow.
It's so beautiful though, the fabric.
And this lady here has been learning to do this weaving since she was 5 years old and learned from her mum, so cute, isn't it? All handmade.
It's just gorgeous.
Just absolutely.
Oh, and then each like family can have like a signature pattern and name it.
Okay, so each family has like a signature
They
pattern.
can do.
Wow.
It's got different names.
Coffee tasting time.
Didn't even know this was part of the tour. So excited.
Nice.
So nice.
What is a candle?
Smells lovely.
Yeah, it's kind of
Oh, lovely. Oh, wow.
So pretty.
Tea and coffee, or you can drink or you can refill. Karen is the name of the people here. We are the mountain people. We living in this mountain over 150 years. In the old day here we grow opium. It's in the village. Our village here we work together. Someone to be the local guide, walk with the tourists up the mountain. Someone make some souvenir like in the basket on your table. That's aroma candle from soya bean. You can open and smell. Different color, different smell. Tea and coffee grow here, making here, then bring the product to sales over there. Sharing the income to everyone.
So this one different color, different smell. When you after like you are bathing, you can brushing your skin, same like a lotion. And sometimes some insect bite you. You can brushing your skin, not itchy. Good sleep. Yes. Nobody interrupt.
Like peach, doesn't it?
So this is flower tea.
Is it?
Yeah,
Haven't tried
very
it yet.
sweet. That's so sweet.
Oh my gosh, yeah.
Wow.
Tastes like syrup almost.
Yeah. So this one is
Tea made from the coffee shop.
tea from the coffee shop. Oh, that's nice. That's really good. Prevents Alzheimer's, bone joints, and good memories. Good memories, okay.
I wasn't expecting that one.
I would have been more coffee, boys. Because it's the shell.
It's the shell.
That's really nice. That's actually really nice.
Welcome to carrying the
coffee.
inside.
So this is a medium roast.
The roasting
Smell it
machine.
first.
When we roast the coffee, we spend the time
Smells
to
good.
roast
Smells really good.
until 16 minutes and have 3 levels. 10-minute roast.
It's
strong,
light.
That's very strong, isn't it? Very strong.
It's medium.
Easy.
There's also dark, so
12-minute
it's
roast
stronger.
we call medium roast. The taste more sweet, less acidity, less sour. 14-minute roast we call dark roast. Strong,
that's lovely.
good smell, no sour.
That's lovely.
This is how to make it.
This is a dark roast.
The shell of the coffee, the red shell.
It's like the aftertaste, yeah.
You are
You can tell the difference.
interested for the coffee,
The
you
aftertaste.
can
Yeah.
drink and
That's why
Bitter, isn't it?
That's why medium roast is better because it's
Medium
more
roast is,
enjoyable
yeah.
to drink.
Cups are gorgeous though. So we just stopped off for tea. Not tea, we stopped off for like a bit of lunch. We had mixed veg and rice, which was nice to share. And now we are at the Doi, what is it? Doi something, Doi Inthanon.
You know, I said about the softest dog.
This is the highest mountain or peak in Thailand, so
Well, I think are we doing the two pagodas first?
yeah, we're doing the 2 pagodas first and then we're going to do the peak in a bit, so it's exciting. So we're on our way to the 2 pagodas, as you can see on the ticket.
Misli and over there King Pagoda named Wachirathan. And this pagoda built by Thai Army, Air Force and Thai people give for 5 occasion birthday king and queen.
Look at the size of that.
That looks like something you make.
What even is that?
Like toys.
With them little like little
pet bugs.
yeah, yeah, little like pipe cleaner things. Wow.
It doesn't look like real.
Oh my gosh. That is absolutely crazy. But yeah, these are 2 pagodas. One's for the king, one's for the queen.
This is the queen.
This is the queen, this is the king. And the Thai Air Force, I think, either
The army.
the army look after it, is it? Yeah, I think.
Well, yeah.
Or like
Keep it.
keep it or protect it. But
And the Buddhas inside represent the days when they were born. So
okay.
the queen was born on a Friday, so it's a certain symbol for Friday.
Nice.
And then the king one was born on Monday.
You should be the tour guide.
So
The tour lady Atti did say this, but again, this is why I'm vlogging the whole thing because I just don't remember.
so you have me.
So I've got Meg. Look at the view on this.
Refreshing air.
It's so cool as well. It's like really like
It's perfect.
lovely temperature. It's obviously the higher you go, the cooler it is. So it's still warm, but it's so much cooler than being down in the city. But wow, absolutely incredible views. Look at that for a
There
view,
was
eh?
a baby elephant yesterday, and he was like going up the hill like very slowly because he couldn't do it. I have that on the stories from yesterday.
And we're not even at the highest point yet, so this is absolutely gorgeous. And then there you got the two pagodas, one there, and then the one there. Gardens are absolutely beautiful as well. So that's the one we went in before. This is the other one now. Absolutely stunning. With the beautiful views outside as well. So on tour as well, we've met two lovely lads, both funny enough called Dan. One Dan is from Poland and the other one is from the UK, Norwich. So they're so nice as well. We're just talking and chatting, and it's just lovely to interact with like other people and just just like form connections and experience it as well. So yeah, it's been such a lovely day so far, and I think the last stop is the highest peak in Thailand. So this is the highest point in Thailand. So we're now heading towards the highest the highest point in Thailand.
If they have to open, they have to break them first and build a new one.
That's where the king's ashes are, because he loved the forest so much he wanted to have his ashes in the forest. Seventh king, yeah. So you can't get to the ashes. And the lady was saying then, Atti, that if you had to get the ashes, you'd have to break the statue, which is just there. How mental is that?
Yes, and over there is the magnet stone, like a lucky stone. When the people come to here, they have to pray with the lucky stone here. You have to see for many coins. When the people come, they have to put the coin on the top of the magnet. This one is the magnet to measure of the height of Thailand. You can pray everything if you want to be success in your life. Any coin around here, you can put them.
Wow.
Yeah, it's a magnet.
This one is too thin. Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Wow.
Any coin you can put. You can try. You can do it.
We're now on the Inthanon trail, I think.
A little bird around there.
So quiet and peaceful. And you can hear the birds as well singing. Yeah, in rainy season, like all this is just covered in moss, and you can't see it.
Like how it is there, but everywhere else.
But everywhere is moss, but obviously
No white anymore.
it's absolutely gorgeous, isn't it?
It's very beautiful.
You have to looking this plant first. This one in Thailand we call khao tok lư In English they call sphagnum moss. Little plant is the cover for the soil or the land, like a makes moisturizer in the.
Moon rat. What would you rather eat, a frog or a moon rat?
Out of them both, I'd have to eat the frog, but Atti was just saying when she was younger, about 7 or 8, our tour guide, because she didn't live in the city, she had to go and catch frogs and catch rats, moon rats, and then she would catch them in a bag, take them back to her family, and then her mum would kill the rat, kill the frog, and they would cook it in like a curry or like a, wow, it's just mental. But obviously now she says not now because there's shops, but when she was younger, she used to go out into like the forest or like the wilderness or the farms and kill them. That's mental. I think them lot on the back of that are going to Chiang Mai to participate in the song run.